Hey there, shopkeepers! In this video, I'm going to show you how to leave a dungeon in Moonlighter 2. Learning how to safely leave a dungeon is one of the key aspects of saving your run and escaping with all the relics you've collected, which can potentially net you a good profit back at your shop. The pendant is quickly introduced at the start of the game, but I think it's pretty easy to overlook, and you might have misunderstood how it's properly used. When entering the dungeon for the first time after the tutorial, you'll be introduced to this roguelite-style map, which is different from the tutorial section. Now, once you get far into your run and feel like continuing is becoming too risky, you can actually use your pendant to immediately leave the dungeon. Simply press the corresponding button shown here, and you can even use the pendant while you're still in combat. This can save you from some really tricky situations, especially when you're overwhelmed by enemies and don't want to risk losing the valuable relics you've already collected. So remember, you don't always have to push your luck. If you already have a good amount of valuable relics, using the pendant and leaving safely can be the better option. And that's how to leave a dungeon in Moonlighter 2. If this helped you out, please drop a like and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.